Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video to do the 4G plus speed test and the download test comparison between the Oneplus Nord 2 versus Poco F3 GT device. This is a test which I'm going to do using the Airtel 4G SIM card. Yes, so this is the Airtel SIM card test. Let's see which phone has got what type of speeds. So first, let's do the RX monitor test comparison. As you can see, so both phones are having the 4G plus aggregation and both phones are connected to the same band, which is the 15 plus 15. As you can see friends, carrier aggregation. So this should be kind of very equal test. So equal test comparison. Let's start with the download first. Let's see which phone will be able to download this application faster. That's what I'm going to exactly check in this video. Let's see. Right now the OnePlus is taking a little bit kind of time in terms of the initializing for the download. But let's see, once it starts downloading, it should be kind of really high speeds. So both are connected to the same kind of bandwidth, as you can see, exactly same band. But the OnePlus Nord 2 was able to finish the download faster before this Poco F3 GT, even though it started late slightly. Now it did slow down a little bit, but let's see which phone will be able to download faster. So this is going to be really interesting thing to see. So for some reason the OnePlus Nord 2 decided to stop, but suddenly it started increase, finished first than the Poco F3 GT, as you can see exactly friends. So this is a test which I'm trying to do using same band connection between both phones at same location with the Airtel. Slightly faster, not bad, just a little bit. So now let's see the speed test. What will happen with the speed test between both phones? This is going to be really very interesting test to see. And let's see what server the both phones are connected. Let me try to select the same kind of server. So this is what a lot of users did request me to use the same servers only during the process of demonstration. So yes, Airtel. Now let's start the test. So both are 4G plus and both are same bandwidth, which is a 2300. And at same time location, doing the test 4G at same time, and you can see the speeds how they are between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus Poco F3 GT. The speed test results are quite shocking, as you can see friends. I'll try to do the multiple times, not one time, but I'll try to do multiple times testing in both phones at this point. So this speed test is not because of the high performance mode. So don't think about the high performance mode which is present in the OnePlus Nord 2. There is nothing to do with the high performance mode. A lot of people that they will definitely think this high performance mode will increase the speed, but doesn't make any sense. So it doesn't increase any kind of speed for the network. Maybe the performance might be increased, but not the network speed. So don't get confused in the high performance mode. So right now I'm trying to do the test again in both phones. As you can see, the speeds this time, it's still the same. So there is no use at all with the high performance mode for the network speed. So don't worry about those things. Right now, let me try to do the one thing. I'll try to do the individual test. So once in the iQOO 7 device, one time again in this phone. So in the Poco F3 GT, sorry, not in the iQOO 7 device, in the Poco F3 GT once in this phone, and then next in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. Sometimes I do get confused, friends. Sorry for that. So Poco F3 GT. So my bad. And right now the speeds we got about 9.56 Mbps in the Poco F3 GT, as you can see here. And upload speeds, not bad. It's kind of coming to 1 Mbps of speeds in terms of the upload in the Poco F3 GT. And now I'll try to start in the OnePlus Nord 2 exactly once this finishes the upload. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Yes, so exactly. As soon as the Poco F3 GT stops, I did do the OnePlus Nord 2 testing, and OnePlus Nord 2 speeds was really great using the same SIM card at same location, same bandwidth. They both connected, but still double results we are getting the OnePlus Nord 2. That's a double. As you can see friends, in terms of speeds, these are the clear results you got right now. So in terms of the network speed, sometimes I do feel the OnePlus Nord 2 is slightly better in terms of the speeds. Yes, network speeds. Not only one time, couple of times I did feel the same as well. Even the Poco F3 GT is not bad. So even this phone is doing it's great, but slightly better speed you will try to see. In case if your Poco F3 GT is getting 60-70 Mbps of speeds, in the same location, if you try to use the OnePlus Nord 2, you will get 90 Mbps of speeds. That is what I'm trying to talk. Slight difference will it be there. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and in case if you have any other doubt, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to check the playlist which I have created for these both phones, which will be really helpful for you to decide which phone is the best phone to buy. See you in the next video, until then stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.